Priya is a courier driver who travels between the 5 towns shown on this map. Distances are shown in kilometres. On average, Priya travels 4 kilometres every 5 minutes, and each stop for a pickup or delivery adds 5 minutes. On Monday, Priya sets out from Muro to pick up at Quetta, deliver at Ole, and then return to Muro, the shortest way. The distance Priya travels is 27, 42, 54 or 57 kilometres. So what we're looking for is the distance that Priya travels on this trip. So it says that Priya sets out from Muro, she's at Muro, to do a pickup at Quetta. Okay, so she travelled 12 kilometres right there. Then from Quetta, she had to do a delivery at Ole. So she went from Quetta to Ole. Now that's a distance of another 15 kilometres. Now she has to return back to Muro, the shortest way. Now there's 3 ways back to Muro. There's this route, and then the one straight down the middle via Quetta. Just adding it up in your brain, you can see that 20 plus 10 is 30, 10 plus 18 is 28, and then 12 plus 15 is 27. So the shortest route would be to go back exactly the way she came. So 15 plus 12, as she would return back along here, back to Muro. Okay, so what distance is this? Let's add up the numbers we've got here. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we've got a 4 here and a 1. And 1, 1, 1, 1, we got a 5. This adds up to 54 kilometres that Priya travelled, or our answer, C.